Guten Morgen. Welcome to my channel, and we're gonna marinate the chicken thighs. I have already cleaned them from the bone and extra fat, and here where I have black pepper, paprika, salt, turmeric, and curry, just a little bit to make it taste a little bit of curry. And we're gonna mix them together just simply like this, and then I'll show you. Alright, welcome back. And as you see, my spices are mixed well with each other, and this is my thigh. As you see, it's clean, ready. I'm just gonna put like this. If you want to add coriander, it's up to you. And at the end, after putting all the spices on each piece, I'm gonna add olive oil so the spices will dissolve or penetrate through the meat. All right, let me know what you think. And then we're gonna fry it. I will show you how to fry them. See you in a little bit. Welcome back. So the meat has been marinated, and we're gonna open, and this is my breadcrumbs. Let's start cooking it. So piece. Wow, voila. And salt on top. We're gonna squeeze it like this. Instead of using hammer, I'm using my fingers. Look. And same thing with the other side. Olive oil. Now let's turn it on. And once it gets hot, we're gonna put this thighs in on the pan to fry them. Right? See you guys in a little bit. Here we go. Welcome back. And this is my final product. Let me know what you think.